Hello guys, today we work with two pages from our book and this one is the first one, 134. 134 and we have four pictures. We have to talk about these pictures and we are going to uh, think about what we feel when we see these pictures. Look at the first one. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay, there it is. There's a lot of trash. Okay, if you feel sad, let's make a sad face. If you feel happy with the picture, let's make a happy face. Okay, that's the number one. Number two, look at the turtles. Okay, we have a lot of turtles. Now, how that makes you feel? Happy, sad. Then we have a park. How the park make you feel? Sad or happy? And at the end we have this school bus. Wow, there's a lot of smoke coming out of the school bus. How that makes you feel? Happy or sad? Okay, so ahí vamos a tener que hacer esas caritas. A sad face, sí, nos hace sentir triste estas fotografías, or a happy face if they make you feel happy. Now, the next page is Nettie's Dirty Hands. Tenemos esta lectura, así que vamos a escuchar el audio de esta lectura y luego decidimos qué es lo que necesita que hacer Nettie.
Track 79. Nettie's Dirty Hands. Nettie wants to make brownies. Nettie has dirty hands, Mommy, says Nicola. Go and wash your hands, Nettie, says Mommy.
Wash your hands.
Who wants an apple? Asks Mommy. Nettie has dirty hands, says Nicola. Go and wash your hands, Nettie, says Mommy. Nicola and Nettie are playing in the backyard. The brownies are ready, Mommy says. Who wants a brownie? Mommy, Nettie has dirty hands, says Nicola. Oh, why do dirty hands matter? Asks Nettie. You have to wash your hands before you eat, says Mommy.
Okay, so the question is, what will Nettie do before eating a brownie? ¿Qué necesita que hacer Nettie before, antes de comerse ese brownie? Ooh, it looks delicious. Well, option 1, wash his face. Option 2, wash his hands. ¿Qué necesita que hacer? Ok, la que ustedes escojan, la que ustedes elijan, check mark, ok. Bien, eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de ayer. Espero que ustedes lo completen bien. Si no asistieron a clase, pues aquí les dejo el video para que lo puedan completar. Nos vemos el día de mañana. See you later, guys. Bye, bye.